What's going on, guys? In this video we are going to see a program that's going to get the input from the user, like get the radius from the user, and it's going to calculate the area of a circle, and also it's going to calculate the circumference of that circle. Okay, now let's go ahead and do that. And we know that for area the equation is 5r square, and for circumference of a circle the equation is 2πr. So we have to know these two things, and also we know that phi is equal to 3.14. We have to define that one first. So whenever we use pi, it's going to be replaced with 3.14. So let's go ahead and define that one first. I'm defining this one on top. Define, and in this one I'm going to equate pi to 3.14. Okay, now let's go to the main function. In the main function, first I'm going to declare float type of variables, because we are going to print this one in decimal points also. So let's include float type of variable. Float type of variable, I'm going to include three variables: a for area, and c for circumference, and r for radius. Okay, and in this printf statement we are going to give the prompt to the user to enter the radius. So let's put a \n, enter the radius, and user is going to enter the radius. To get the input from the user, we have to create a scanf statement. And in this scanf statement we are going to get the value, and we are going to store this one in R. And also, since this is not an array, we had to always put an ampersand in front of this one, because R is a float type of variable. So we had to put an ampersand and put R right here. And that's it for this one. Now we are going to create the equation for the area and the circumference. For area, we put a is equal to pi times not plus, times pi times r times r. And then for circumference, we put c is equal to 2 times pi times r. 2 times pi times r. Okay, now we have created two equations. Now we want to print the area and also the circumference. So first, to print the area, we put printf statement. In this printf statement we put \n, and then area, and then %f, because this is a float type of variable. Every time we have to put %f, and then here we are going to print whatever the value stored in a, because a is the area we calculated using this equation. Okay, now the next thing is we want to print the circumference. Let's copy paste this one right here, and here we have to put circumference is going to be, like, you can name anything you want, but it's going to print out the circumference, and then this is c, and that's it. Now let's go ahead and print this one out. Let me grab this one a little bit up. Okay, let's run this one. So first it's asking the radius. Let's put 8. It's calculating the area of that circle with radius 8, and also it's calculating the circumference of the circle with radius 8. Okay, and that's how we do that. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching. And if you are trying to learn C or C++ programming, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you are also trying to access these codes, this is in my Blogger. I put the link of my Blogger in the description, so you can go ahead and get those codes. Thanks for watching. See you next time.